Hello guys, welcome back to the class. I hope that you enjoyed your vacations, but today we must continue with the partial. The good thing is that today we're gonna start with the last unit of this partial, which is unit number 9, and as you can see it is called Smile. Alright, so the first topic of this unit is reading. It says, look at these expressions and discuss the questions with your partner. Okay, so the expression is say cheese. So you have to call your classmates and ask these questions. Okay, discuss them, take your time, and when you finish, we will continue. All right, very good. Now, moving on to the next exercise. All right, very good. Now, in the exercise number 2, it says, use the words from the picture to complete the following post Choose the appropriate singular or plural form for each word. Okay, so over here, guys, we have a reading that is called Your Special Smiles. And in the picture, we have some words. For example, eyebrow, wrinkles, eye. So over here, we know what we're talking about. So you're going to use these words to complete the lecture. But be careful, in some occasions, you're going to have to use the plural form, and in some occasions, you will have to use the singular form. So do it, and when you finish, I'm going to play an audio so that you can check your answers. All right, here goes the audio. Pay attention.
Unit 9, Track 17.
Your special smiles. We asked you for some of your special smiles. Here are some of your responses. Angela, 24, from Philadelphia.
I love my baby's smile. She has only one baby tooth. It's so cute. She smiles when you talk to her. She also gets excited and smiles when the dog comes near her.
Tom, 36, from New Orleans.
I don't like people with a fake smile. They look unhappy most of the time. All they do is tighten the muscles of their cheeks. You can tell it's not a real smile.
Paula, 45, from San Pedro.
I love a proper, full-face smile. When someone smiles like that, their eyes get smaller, and you can see all the little lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Sometimes you get to see cute dimples in their cheeks. When it happens, you just have to smile back.
Tori, 35, from Phoenix.
My husband, Greg, doesn't like photos of himself, especially selfies. So every time we go out, I get out the camera and say, cheese! His smile is really bad. He doesn't open his mouth and his eyebrows come together. He does have a pretty smile when we are not taking selfies.
All right, now we're going to move on to the next topic, which is a vocabulary topic. Very good. In the exercise number 1 says, match each group of adjectives with an appropriate noun to make common collocations for description. So these are some adjectives, and these are the nouns that we have seen in the lecture. But before you do this exercise, I want you to do another one in your notebook. It says, write on your notebook the definition of the adjectives A to F. So these adjectives that we have here, you're going to look for them in a dictionary and you're going to write the definitions. For example, the first adjective that we have is thick. So you're going to go to the dictionary and you're going to look for the word thick. And well, it's going to give you the answer. And here we have it, having a large distance between two sides. So you're going to copy that definition. And when you finish doing this exercise, well, you can continue with the exercise number 1. All right, so take your time and we'll continue in a moment. All right, if you finish, let's take a look to the answers. Well, we know that the letter A, thick or thin, is talking about eyebrows. Then pale or rosy, we're talking about lips. Yes. Then we have curly, straight or wavy hair. Very good. Then we have full or thin cheeks. Cheeks. Very good. We can have square or pointed chin, and we can have straight or wide teeth. Yes, very good. Now, which features do you like on a man or a woman? So which of these features do you like in a man or in a woman? For example, maybe you like men who have pointed chin, or you like women who have white teeth. All right, so and call your classmates and tell them which are the features that you like about a man or about a woman. All right, if you're done, let's continue with the next page. And we have a reading topic. It says Lucy and Phil are looking at the photos describing the people. Match the photos below with the conversation. All right, so here we have four conversations. All of them are between Lucy and Phil, and in each conversation they are describing one of these people. So match them, and when you finish, I will give you the answers. All right, in the letter A, we are describing to the person in the picture number 4. Yes, he looks hardworking and successful. Very good, like this person. Then the conversation B, they're describing the person in the picture number 1. Yes, this type of person is fun. She looks fun. All right. Then in the letter C, they're talking about the person in the picture number 2. Excellent. Very good. This is a wide and sooty smile. Okay, as you can see, she has a big smile and she's showing her teeth. So that's how we know that we're talking about this person. And finally, well, the last conversation, we're talking about the man in the picture number 3. Pretty obvious, right? He doesn't have a big smile, as you can see here. Yes, well done, guys. Very good. Now, in the next exercise that they tell us, think about your family and friends. What kind of smiles do they have? Do they match any of the descriptions in exercise 1? So for this, you're gonna call your classmates and you're gonna tell them the type of smiles that your family have. For example, your mom, your dad, your sister, or your brother. Do they have a big smile? Do they show their teeth when they smile or they don't? Okay? So call them and discuss this, and when you finish, we will continue. Alright, now in the next topic we have a vocabulary section. It says, listen and repeat the adjectives from the text above. Match each adjective with its definition. So we have these adjectives, and I'm gonna play an audio so that you can repeat them, so that you can know their pronunciation. When you finish, I want you to match this with the definitions. All right, you can do this by using a dictionary to help you. And when you finish, I'm gonna give you the answers. All right, here are the answers. Very good. Then, in the exercise number 2, it says listen to 6 different people talking. Choose the most appropriate adjective from the exercise number 1 to describe each one. So we're going to listen to 6 people that are talking, and you're going to choose one of these adjectives to describe each of them. So you're going to use 6 adjectives. Okay? So here goes the audio. Pay attention.
Track 20. 1,
I'd love to meet your friends. Let's make a date now. We could try that new restaurant downtown.
2,
No, don't do it like that. Do it like this. Go ahead, do it again. And then get me some coffee.
3. No problem. I'm sure I can win. I know I'm faster than the others. 4,
I'm working here to get some experience, but I'm going to start up my own company soon.
5,
Yeah, whatever. I really don't mind. I'll be happy if we go out. I'll be happy if we stay in. Let's do whatever you want to do.
6,
Look, are you sure you're okay? Because I can stay longer if you want. Anyway, you know where I am if you need me. Take care.
Very good. Now, I'm going to give you the answers. Here they are. Very good. Now, continuing with the next exercise, it says, find out about your own personality. In your opinion, what is the best adjective to describe these 5 things? Use your own ideas. So for this activity, you will use any adjective that you want. It can be from this, or it can be any other that you know, but you're gonna describe these nouns that we have here: a dog, a cat, a rat, coffee, and an ocean. So write the adjectives that you want to use to describe this, and when you finish, I'm gonna play an audio so that you can see the meaning of what you have written. Okay, once you have finished writing the adjectives, let's pay attention to the audio. Here it goes.
Track 21.
Your description of a dog is your own personality. Your description of a cat is your partner's personality. Your description of a rat is your enemy's personality. Your description of coffee is how you see love. Your description of an ocean is your own life.
Very good. Is the meaning from the audio accurate to what you write about these nouns? Tell your partner. And when you finish telling your partner, that's gonna be it for today's class. Thank you for paying attention, guys, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.